Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where all these red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely want to get some things updated. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and do some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Yeah, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter all over the place. So let's just try to keep the lines and annotations to a minimum. First update, though, that does need to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So one of the newer areas of resistance formed today was this former area, 55 cents, that had been doing a great job of holding. But, when it failed right here, you can see the price. That's kind of what opened up the little miniature floodgates, and down the price went. But the other thing that happened today that's, very important and very kind of always eye-catching in the world of charts is the price broke down below this pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. And, this is just a moving average, a dynamic of charting, where even if you have a very basic understanding, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it. And that, of course, assumes you're bullish. So with the price breaking down below it, just, that's another signal that the bears are, continuing their push to the downside. So, and again, based on that rule, levels of resist or support tend to act as resistance. Before you even worry about doing battle with 55 cents, the bulls' first priority is getting back up above that pink line there. It doesn't necessarily happen tomorrow, but if this trend is going to get back on track, back on the trajectory that it was at from a big picture perspective, price has got to get back up above that pink line. Now, what about next potential areas of support? From the eyeball test here, it's looking like where it currently bottomed out is a historic level, but my eyes have deceived me before. So let's see that level right there. Yeah, wow, charts work right there at 39 cents. And you go back and look through the history of the chart, you can see that the buyers had a history of supporting the price right there. And surprise, surprise, once more, that's right where the price ultimately did bounce from. So 39 cents, key level of support going into tomorrow. 200 period initial area of resistance, and then the next key level up there at 55 cents. So we'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.